Bump. No good.
Mamaya pag bumato mo.
Oh, hello!
Ano nga, nabatong laula.
Taking zone. Floater. No good. Martinez. No good again. Martinez again. Good for two. Villaflor. Floater. No good. That's off. That's off. To Tison. Tison. Jumper. Outed. Wow. Number 0-0. Dominant of the first personal foul. 30 foul. Rodman. Basket. Fifteen shoot. Gargano. No good. Out of bounds. Remaining time 1 minute 55 seconds. Tison. No good. Only good. Barreto. The number 5. Pina number 14. Villa Club jumper. No good. Foul. Number 5. This is 7 personal foul. 30 foul.
Wala tayong dala. Tinay, tinapay.
Off the score. 21-15 in the drop dime.
Nalimutan na. Wala nagtitin.
Magbibay. Turnover. Number 5. Layup no good. Villa good for 2. That's all. Jumper. No good.
Para ka lang gulaan.
Tison with the steal. Tison. Jumper. No good. Out of bounds.
Nag-graduate siya pa yung dalawa ni Kera sa kanila. Nakita namin na is.
1 minute.
Ano rin daw yung dalawa?
That's a jumper. No good. No one. Nabe. Nabe. Good for 2. 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. Floater. Good for 2 by number 5.
Tampak na pala. 10 plus 10 ano?
Buena. Pinasa. Out of bounds. 28 seconds.
Oh, wala matira!
Tayo.
Wala matira!
15 to shoot.
Grabe!
Hero layup. Good for 2.
Naset, ide, naset!
10 seconds.
Okay, Wailoy!
5 seconds. Buena. Good for 2. And the first quarter. Off to the score. 25-21 in the drop dime.